Okay, now we will start calculate static elastic properties, then static Young modulus and static Poisson's ratio. In this video, I have changed the location of camera because in previous video it closed the area of master. Before we will start calculation, please open the crossplots where we will find the correlation between core data. Now we will find correlation between static Young modulus and dynamic Young modulus by core. Move the dynamic on X and static on Y. Let's set the another type. Okay. We see that one of most points is not in area of most of points. Therefore, we may remove it, this point and estimate regression for only these points. Press the selection and select points which we will use for correlation. Then trends, consider selected points only, and approximate type is linear. We observed very good determination coefficient, which is 0.73. Okay, let's copy it and launch the static properties. You see here two parameters, the static Young modulus and static Poisson ratio. Select in drop-down list user-defined function and pass the correlation from crossplot. Change argument on dynamic from this list. Then change curve name on static. Output curve unit is gigapascal and depth unit is meter. Then run. Now we will research only static and we can remove Poisson ratio static. Please make new well section where we will show dynamic and static. Also show static Young modulus score and dynamic Young modulus score. Don't forget check common scale. In this case it's from 0 to 100 gigapascals. So we observe very good correlation between core data and log data. Okay, one moment. Let's show the stratigraphy. Okay, and lithology, please. Okay, we see that in BA layer, so very good. In AB layer, in upper part, we see good correlation, and in this lower part, I think we must more or less static Young modulus by log than now. Okay. For reach this result, please launch the recalculation of E static by right button of mouse and recalculate curve. Okay. Let's make some iterations. Please change addition, maybe now, then make preview. Okay, not result. Okay, next, preview. Good. Now it will better, but we see that in BA the correlation was changed to divided this correlation. We will use stratigraphy deviation, stratigraphy distribution. Please remove all layers that we are not need, and we will use only BA and AB. For BA, okay, now, and AB is maybe 3. Good, maybe 4. Yes, it looks much better. Okay, let's run. The program will suppose you overwrite results. We agree. Overwrite. Good. And we again forget, don't calculate PR state. Okay, don't forget save project. And now we will calculate the Poisson ratio static by usual relationship. We will use PR static that equal PR dynamic. Okay, we will use A equal run and B equals 0. Then we will check curve name PR static. Output curve unit is conventional unit and depth unit is meter. Then run. Okay. Now we calculated static properties as an Young modulus static and Poisson ratio static.